Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to create a graph using an online platform. This will be useful when we take mathematical based papers, when we have to predict some statistical data, or we can also use this as a result in our research papers if we want to portray some graph based data. So you can create a chart or a graph using an online platform. We can download that particular graph and include in your research papers. Now let us get started. Now go to your browser and type live.amcharts.com. I've already typed that. So once you type, click on sign in, agree to the terms, and let us log in using our Gmail account. So I click on Google. So if your email ID is already logged in from any other browser, it automatically syncs using your particular email ID. Now to create a chart, click on make a chart. So once you click on make a chart, we can see that various types of charts are displayed here. Column, bar, a line chart, area chart, pie and donut, XY scatter and various other chart types. Let us try creating a column graph. So I click on cluster. So once you click on clustered, we can see that already a predefined graph has been displayed. Now we can modify this graph based on what data we want. For that, we will first see how to change the chart title, the axis title, graph 1 and graph 2. Now let me assume that I am creating a graph for a particular product versus that price. So I am going to change the chart title. For that, in the left hand side, there are various settings available. Click on titles. Click on title 1 and enter under the text the chart title as product versus the price. So we can see that automatically the heading has appeared here. Next, to change the axis title, in axis I want the price to be denoted. So I click on value axis 1. I change the title as price. Fine. And this graph 1 and graph 2, I'm going to depict the prices in the year 2010 and in the year 2020. So I click on graphs. The first column, I'm going to denote under title mention as 2010. And the second column, so click on AM graph 2 and click the title as 2020. So yes, the axes are set up, the title of the graph is set up, and I've mentioned the two columns as in the year 2010 and 2020. Now let us start entering the values of the graph. To enter the values of the graph, let me consider the first category to be the product to be a mobile phone. So I type mobile phone here, and column 1 it represents the value in the year 2010. Column 2 represents the value in the year 2020. So let the cost be, for example, 10,000 in the year 2010. The same is 20,000 in the year 2020. Let us assume some other product. Let me take a TV. So a TV costed around 15,000 in 2010 and it's 20,000 in 2020. And third category, let me take a microwave oven. So it costed 8,000 in the year 2010 and it costs around 15,000 in the year 2020. So now if you see, once we enter the graph, the total graph has been modified as per the data given by us. So this is how we create a graph using the AM charts. Whatever data you enter, simultaneously the values gets embedded onto the graph and the graphs comes as per our need. So I hope you're clear with us. And if you see at the bottom, there are various themes available. So we can change the theme as per our need and we can choose which theme we are comfortable with. So these are the various themes. For example, I'm okay with this theme. And we can download this graph either as an image or as a PDF. So to do that, first save this graph. So let me give it to be, for example, some product graph. I don't want this to be public. Public makes our graph to be visible to anyone who logs in to the live.amcharts.com. So I want this graph to be only for me. So I disable the public option and I click on save. So yes, we have saved the graph. Now to download this graph, In the settings at the left hand side, enable the export option. There will be an option called as export. Click on the checkbox next to it. Now once you click on this, we can see that a download option is present. So we can download it as a PNG format, JPEG format, SPS format or PDF format. So let me try with a JPG format. So we can see that my chart has been downloaded. So let us see how a chart has appeared. So you can see that the proper legends, the axis value, the title and the graph has been perfectly downloaded for us. So we can download the graph as per our need, or you can publish and share directly, right? So we can share this directly onto various platforms. For example, I click on this. So you can share this graph in any of the social networks you are there, or you can copy this link and paste it so that anyone else can view your particular graph. So this is how we create a graph in live.amcharts.com. Create your own graph for your data and see how it looks. Thank you.